Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Show you how to make kind of a unique pattern all at one time with the interactive fill tool and copy properties from. So and you can see the lines that I drew. I just take a rectangle and I'm just going to take some lines and uh, no particular pattern. I'm trying not to make very many little spots just to make it easier to fill in. And we'll call that good. Now, the best thing to do is to take this now and group it together. It'll be easier to move it out of the way in a second. Take the Smart Fill tool on any color. I'm going to use blue, and I do have a little bitty spot right there, but that doesn't matter. It'll make it look unique. And just fill in all the other spots. And then, because you grouped this together, you can delete it. Now we have individual pieces. I'm going to make a copy of that piece and put it over here. Then I'm going to take the interactive fill tool, and this is where your artistic ability would kind of show through. And let's put just a lighter blue on the outside. Go ahead and make this a lighter blue on that side, and then bring a darker blue into the middle. And this is kind of a key thing to do, is with the interactive fill tool, if you'll select that color and hold down the control button, you can make that blue darker. See what I'm doing? I'm making the middle blue darker. Then I could actually bring these in a little bit, move them around. You could smooth them out. And now, because you have this, these are all different items, so let's just select it. Don't have to group it. There's 22 objects. We're going to go up to Edit and copy properties from, Fill, have the fill check, and then just hit your arrow and put it on there. And in that length of time, you filled all that in. I mean, this could be, very useful if you were doing, let's say, a bunch of ellipses, and I'm just going to make a bunch of ellipses real quick, and I'm still using somebody's file that puts them 1/4 inch. That just bugs me. But anyway, let's make all these blue, and then let's take this one and hit the plus key and move it over here. And then we're going to go to our interactive fill tool and go here, but this time we're going to let's use the conical. That makes it look really different. Put that in the middle, and it kind of gives it a weird look to it. Let's put a little blue on that one. Whoop, not that one. Put a little blue there. Whoop. I don't ever use the conical. So let's just bring in another color and get back to the interactive fill tool, and then let's put this lighter blue like right. That doesn't seem to work on the conical. There is a white out there. Let's see if we can't put a blue. There we go. Make it a little bit different. I don't ever use that. Now, you don't have to group these together or anything. Just select them all. Go up to Edit, copy properties from, Fill, and then check on that one. And it did all at the same time. That way if you had to, if you wanted to change them or whatever, and they're all going to look the same. Anyway, so that's under Edit and copy properties from, and you can do not only the fill, you can do the pin outline and the pin color. Anyway, I hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.